So what happens after your new boiler has been installed? Okay, so we will give you a folder with all your paperwork in, so you need to keep that safe. That's got all the boiler instructions and the warranty card on the back. We will then register the boiler with gas safe for you, which is a legal requirement, and we'll register the manufacturer's guarantee. So you do not have to do anything, you just need to sit back and enjoy your new boiler. You can also give us a call if there's any issues whatsoever, and we can come and have a look for you. Now, after your new boiler has been fitted over the coming days, you'll receive a couple of emails and they'll have a couple of videos on like this one, just giving you any advice and any things to look out for since you've had your new boiler fitted. So keep your eye out for them because they're really valuable bits of information after your new boiler. The only other thing to consider after your new boiler is a care plan. Don't spend quite a lot of money on a new boiler not to look after it. We really need to get on a care plan and look after your new boiler, but we can sort that for you. So again, you don't have to do anything. We will do the paperwork, we will register the boiler, and we can even sign up for your service plan, but it's certainly something to do after your new boiler.